Is she dreaming or what?
She done?
I'm back again, it's not the end.
What's up, you? What's up, you? What's up, you? What's up, you? What's good, you? Do me some boy. Do me some boy. Some boy. Harry Vlogs. Harry Vlogs. AKA the reaction boss. I want back in effect people with another. You know what that go. What's up, to Mr. Boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I want back with another video for you guys. Right now, we're going back over Grenada again. You understand me? I say right now we have a female. Clap it up. No, hold on. Clap it up. We got a female people. You understand me? I say artist name Kim. Check her out. That will do the reaction about is a female, so you know everything lit already. You don't know it's chopping people. Like up the video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. Yes, make could big up some people. Look for your comment, make could big up some people right about now. So I'll go on the description. Alright. So the description says first single ever release. Talk to Me Nicely. Song called Talk to Me Nicely by Kim. With her unique Caribbean trap sound. Produced by JB Studios. Big up yourself, JB Studios. You understand? Mixed and mastered by JB Studios and KingzMen Productions. Cover art and animation by JB Studios. As someone, your body, you know? Big up yourself. You understand? Follow them by Instagram, people, at KingzMen Prod 473, as you may say, and JB Studios 999 and Dan and Annalisa. You understand? Dan underscore Annalisa underscore. I guess that's Kim Instagram people. You don't know chopper already, people. Song link down below in the description of the video. Check it out for you. So we're going for the song right now. Caribbean trap sound. Make us see what go on. Run tune.
JB Studio.
JB. Mom told me you better know who your friend is. Can't hold me because now I'm not friendly. Talk to me nicely, don't care if you like me or not. Are you dreaming or what? I miss the people hating, why they only faking? Think I'm just ranking, they wanna fit in. Feel like I'm sinking, my mind is floating apart. Am I dreaming or?
No, pull up. Hold on. Where Medzar? Hold on, no more Medzar free. The reaction I got different, people. The reaction I got different. We don't talk to one already. Go on now.
JB Studio.
Yeah. Listen.
JB.
Yeah.
Mom told me you better know who your friend is.
Alright.
Can't hold me because now I'm not friendly. Talk to me nicely, don't care if you like me or not. Are you dreaming?
Or what?
I miss the people hating, why they only faking? Think I'm just ranking, they wanna fit in. Feel like I'm sinking, my mind is floating on pot. Am I dreaming?
Or what?
That nigga never loved me, I was his puppet. Let no nigga use me, I ain't no puppet. Now that nigga lost me, put him in a bucket to rot. Is he dreaming or what? I wanted a sister, but now she a hater.
Oh,
She act like a
let me my good reaction. I don't know. I say no why you song. What? Yo, it's a female dog. Never run my little bit. Hold on, go on.
Feel like I'm sinking, my mind is floating on pot. Am I dreaming or what? That nigga never loved me, I was his puppet. Let no nigga use me, I ain't no puppet. Now that nigga lost me, put him in a bucket to rot. Is he dreaming or what? I wanted a sister, but now she a hater. She act like a traitor, rough like a grader, like a foot blister. Don't even miss her at all. Is she dreaming or what? I'm a hotspot, connected or not. You feel a bit lost and connected to the
She just said she want a hotspot. She asked if you're connected or not. Yo, people, watch your reaction now, people. This was meant for Soca Thursday, but it's not Thursday. Plop tune. Yeah, I want to see everybody at the party right now. Set son of people are rolling one and two tone because I don't see the party get shellings right now. You don't know a chap going on people. Let's say we go to Kim from over Muckley, Grenada said speed. They didn't say we go up JB Studios. They don't know a chap in the people. Right now, a female artist I bring to them. She call her style. You see me I say she call her style people Caribbean trap. You see me I say she unique, but she fall from Grenada. People ready? Run tune and see that. Yo.
JB Studio.
Big up JB Studios. Let me start, man.
JB.
Are you ready for this? No, I'm ready.
Mom told me you better know who your friend is. Can't hold me because now I'm not friendly. Talk to me nicely, don't care if you like me or not. Are you dreaming? I miss the people hating, why they only faking? Think I'm just ranking, they wanna fit in. Feel like I'm sinking, my mind is floating on pot.
Are you dreaming now?
That nigga never loved me, I was his puppet. Let no nigga use me, I ain't no puppet. Now that nigga lost me, put him in a bucket to rot.
Are you dreaming now?
I wanted a sister, but now she a hater. She act like a traitor, rough like a grader.
I don't want to see nobody at the party from the shake right now in the dog. She's a female. You didn't say she named Kim. She's far from Grenada, people. Go to the man. Go son of man.
For blister, don't even miss her at
Yeah.
all. Is she dreaming or what? I'm a hotspot, connected or not.
She
You
asked,
feel a bit lost and connected.
pause. Uno connected or what? Uno connected or what? She just said she's a hotspot in the dog. More than if uno connected right now, no. Yo. Go
Up
on.
the dots, I trap a lot, we making plots. If you hear shots, you know who it's not. Don't twist up my plot, got no more shots. Believe me or not, I don't like the SWAT. Trading my one-on-one, you are the chosen one. Where you from, Cybertron? You're my Decepticon. No, we know day ones, you are the only one. I don't even know when to talk anymore. People out here, they always know more. Can't take it no more, don't know where to go. My man gonna blow, I can't take it no more. Oh no, I fell to the floor, my man is on fire.
Pause. People, if you're in the party right now, you don't like the video, like the video. If you're in the party right now, you don't drop the fire emoji, mate. Drop the fire emoji in the comment section. If you're in the party right now, and you don't, click the link in the description and go check out the song for yourself. Do it right now. No, like the video if you don't like the video yet. People, it's to Kim from Grenada. People, this song name Talk to Me Nice. Run through.
A little bit higher, I'm gonna expire. I need to respire, it's hot in here. I need some air, can't breathe in here. It's too much in here, I think I'm stuck to the point where I don't even care anymore. I have a clean soul.
boss.
You think I don't know.
She said it get hot in here, people. We need some hair, people. Boss, it's getting hot in here. We need some hair. No! If you're at the party right now, don't like the video, like the video. Run it.
Oh, I know you're the mole, you just passing this girl. My vision's a roll. Mom told me you better know who
Your
your
friends
friend
is.
Can't hold me because now I'm not friendly.
All
Talk
right.
to me nicely, don't care if you like me.
All right.
Are you dreaming
or what?
I miss the people hating, why they only faking? Think I'm just ranking, they wanna fit in. Feel like I'm sinking, my man is floating on pod. Am I dreaming or what? That nigga never loved me, I was his puppet. Let no nigga use me, I ain't no puppet. Now that nigga lost me, put him in a bucket to rot. Is he dreaming or what? I wanted a sister, but now she a hater. She act like a traitor, rough like a grader, like a foot blister. Don't even miss her at all. Is she dreaming or what?
She done?
I'm back again, it's not the end.
Clean, people. People, me swear things that she done a while ago, people. People, this is what me say. Me say she done? And me say, so, no, I'm back again, People, if you're in the party right now, don't like the video, like the video. People, if you're in the party right now, don't comment the fire emoji, but comment the fire emoji and on the video. People, if you're in the party right now and you don't subscribe to Tyrekevlogs channel, please subscribe and touch the bell and select all notifications. We get notified every time we post a video. People run tune, she back. No, me gonna get again. Listen what I go. Watch your style.
But now she a hater, she act like a traitor, rough like a grader, like a foot blister. Don't even miss her at all. Is she dreaming or what? I'm back again, it's not the end, but it's the end. The tailor's end, I'm not ordinary, I'm visionary, extraordinary, and luminary, yeah.
Big words.
If I fall on my back, take a rest and come back out to build up a stack. Cause I ain't turning back, that's gonna be whack, no need to react. I keep it intact, for sure it's a fact. Need to adjust, don't know who to trust. Can't be here with us, don't play with my trust. I'm just in disgust, you belong in the dust, you ain't earning my trust. Mom told me you better know who your friend is. Can't hold me because now I'm not friendly. Talk to me nicely, don't care if you like me or not. Are you dreaming or what? I miss the people hating, why they wanna faking? Think I'm just ranking, they wanna fit in. Feel like I'm sinking, my man is floating on pod.
Are you dreaming or what?
That nigga never loved me, I was his puppet. Let no nigga use me, I ain't no puppet. Now that nigga lost me, put him in a bucket to rot. Is he dreaming or what? I wanted a sister, but now she a hater. She act like a traitor, rough like a grader, like a foot blister. Don't even miss her at all. Is she dreaming or what?
Buckley, people. That was a party. Big up on yourself. Check out JB Studios to find the full video. Link down below in the description of the video, people. Kim, big up yourself. You did me I say? KingzMen Production, big up yourself. Reaction Boss, signing out. Peace.